Hi again, book buddies. Jean Reidy here. I hope you loved Sylvie's story. You may have noticed throughout the book that a tea set plays a very important role in the story. That's why there's a teacup right here on the cover. And if you turn to the very last page and you look very carefully, you'll see an itty bitty teacup right there in Sylvie's hand. I wonder what's in that teacup. I wonder if it's Spider Cider Tea. Let's make some right now. All you need is boiling hot apple juice. Let your parents help you with that. An apple cinnamon tea bag, a cinnamon stick, a teaspoon, and your favorite teacup. All you have to do is pour the apple juice into the teacup, add your tea bag, and let it steep for about 3 to 4 minutes. When it's done steeping, take it out and stir up your tea with your cinnamon stick. That's all there is to it. Let's give it a try. Delicious. But where's the spider, you say? Well, she's right here. And maybe the next time you read Sylvie, you'll enjoy the story with a cup of Spider Cider Tea. See you soon.